I got X11 open. I first saw this tutorial done by Dan Bauman back in version 4, 5, something like that. I thought I'd redo it. It's on my website, but it's in Flash, and Flash is kind of going out of style. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to create just an elevation camera with a single roof plane here. And I guess I should show you one other thing. I'm going to use a backflip cross-section camera in my little house thing that I've got here. Okay. Now, let's see if I can select that roof plane. Maybe not. Anyway, in Chief Architect, when you open the dialog box of a roof plane, when it says baseline, it doesn't mean ceiling height or finish height like most carpenters, usually think with the top of the plate, that sort of thing. The baseline in Chief Architect is right here on the top surface of the roof. So the baseline would be, you would put your cursor like that and get a parallel point with the top of the roof plane, and that's the baseline. Okay, that's enough of that. I'm going to go back over to this single roof plane. So trying to select it. Well, okay, I'm not getting it. I was hoping to get it. All right, I'm going to open the dialog with this one roof plane. You'll see here when it says baseline height, that's what it's talking about, the top of the roof plane that is a point parallel and collinear with the outside edge of the structure of the wall. Okay, so just want to make that point. Then it shows you ridge. That's pretty straightforward. Fascia top height. Let's take a look at that. Not that one, yeah. Fascia top is right here, top of the fascia. Well, here, I just opened this dialog box here. There we go. So we got that, and then the pitch. There's a lot you can do with this dialog with a single roof plane. Oh, I remember now how I did. Oh, okay, I got it this time. If you want to change the pitch, then it'll pivot by default with this radio button and the baseline height. So we want to change that 5 to a 12. Voila. Okay, I'm going to double click on that again. And we'll put it back to 5. Let's say you just wanted to match this roof plane with another roof plane over here. Like this roof plane here has fascia top height of 106 and 5/8. So I'm going to copy that, cancel it. I just wanted to get the value. We'll open the dialog box on this one. And in order to match that precisely, you would lock the pitch so that the pitch doesn't change, and then put in the same value. I don't think that's much of a change, but now the fascia tops match. And let's see, this is a 512, I believe. Yeah, 512. Anyway, you can change the pitch for the dialog. You can change another thing is to lock the pitch, and we'll just add 24 inches to the ridge, and then click OK, and the whole roof plane moves up exactly 2 feet. I'm going to double click on that again. Again, we'll lock the pitch because I don't want the pitch to change. I mean, or you might want that. And we'll put in minus 48. Oops. I did something wrong. Lock the pitch. Minus 48. What was wrong with that? Okay. Try that again. We'll try this time as -4 feet. Oh, I'm getting it now. Okay. That lowered it 4 feet. Okay. That wouldn't hold my mouth right. Okay. Enough of that. I'm going to go back to this overview. Oh yeah, this overview. And you could do the same thing. I'm going to grab these two roof planes, and I just made them match the ridge earlier before I started the video. Now I'm going to hit transform replicate. I'm going to lower them -36. Oh, -36, not -36. Didn't like that. And so you get the idea. There's a lot of manual editing that you can do with just, of course, this will have to be cleaned up, but you get the idea. That's what I wanted to point out. There's a lot of manual editing that's done just for the roof dialog. Let me show you one other trick. I'm going to go, not that. We go to plan view. Plan view, he said. Plan view. There we go. Now I'm going to click on the roof tool, select all the roof planes, and then use transform replicate. I'm going to raise them 24 inches. That gets them all. You know, they can't really tell all that much, but you can see I raise it up 2 feet. Okay, that's all. I just wanted to show you some basic things you can do manual roof editing with the roof dialog. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you.